In this video you will learn how to use calculated fields. I am Saki, Sencha ExtJS and Touch developer, instructor and consultant. Calculated fields are fields that do not have their own value, but it is calculated from other values from the same record. In this case we want to use full name, but we are not receiving full name from the server, just first name and last name. To calculate the value, we will use a model. Because the value is not own, we do not want to send it back to the server, so we set this field as persist false. That causes that the data is not sent back to the server. Then we need to implement convert function. Convert function takes a value and a record as arguments. Now let's take existing data from the record. And we return if we have first name, then first name plus space, and if we do not have first name, then empty string plus So what we see here, we are receiving value and record, and we are returning a new value that doesn't need to take existing value in account at all, as it is in this case, but just calculates the new value from the record existing data. So let's see. Yes, we get what we want. We get full name concatenated from first name and last name. Now, there is still one slight problem, because if we edit the first name and put here John, the full name doesn't get updated. It is because convert function, what's here, is triggered only when we attempt to set full name, and now we are setting only first name. To handle the situation, we need a little override. I have prepared here. So what the override is doing, every model has set function that basically puts new value into a field. In this case we override the set function that takes name and value as arguments, but it also can take an object with name value pairs. So we create a temporary object here. If the first name is string, that means we are using name and value syntax. In that case we convert it to name value pair objects. And we also force full name to be set to empty string in this case. And we call parent that handles the actual set. The value here is not very relevant because it is ignored anyway in our convert function. So we can put here hello, whatever, and it doesn't change the situation. So we are getting now the same full name as we got before. However, if we change, let's say, first name, the full name gets updated. That's all. Happy coding.